Meaning of din-din.
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 Din-din. Din-din is a colloquial term used to refer to dinner, the main meal of the day that is typically eaten in the evening. The term is often used in a playful or affectionate way in casual conversation between friends or family members. It can also be used to refer to the act of having dinner together, emphasizing the social aspect of sharing a meal with loved ones. Overall, din-din is a light-hearted and informal expression that conveys a sense of warmth and connection in relationships.